Hey everybody, welcome to Art Factory. I'm your host, Miss Marissa. It feels like it's been forever since we've had an Art Factory, and I'm so excited to see you guys today. We're in a new year and a new month. It's so exciting. We said see you later 2020 and welcome 2021. Well, with a new month comes a new friend, and I can't wait to introduce you to her. Here she is, Noe, the New Year's bird. Hey Noe, you're so excited to be here today? We're so excited too. I love the sunflower that you have brought us from the garden. Yeah, you have a garden full of all of your bird friends? That is so awesome. So Noe, what's something that you like to do for the new year? You like to have a party with your family and friends? What kind of things do you have at your party? Balloons? I love balloons. I think today we should do a balloon craft for our first Art Factory of the new year. Great idea, Noe. We're going to need some supplies. Oh, I don't have anything on my table. All right, give me a second. There it is. Perfect. For this balloon craft, you'll need some handy dandy glue, some balloon shapes that are cut out of different colors of paper, construction paper, cardstock, anything you have. I decided to write the letters of my name on mine, so you could do the same if you'd like to. And of course, a nice, beautiful blue background to hang your balloons on. You're also going to need a writing utensil. Let's see how to make this.
Start by getting your paper turned the right way. If you have a shorter name, you may want your paper to go up and down. My name is kind of long, so I went side to side. I went ahead and placed my letters in the right order. I happen to make my letters in the pattern of a rainbow, but you can use all the same color, any different patterns, whatever you like. Your balloons are going to look great. So just take your glue and glue your letters down. You might have to move them around if they don't fit at first, but I know you'll make it work. Next, you're going to take a writing utensil and draw strings down from the balloons into the middle. I liked making all my balloon strings connect, so they looked like one bundle that you can grab with one hand.
Wowee! This looks so great! Wow, check out my balloons! I love that it spells out my name. M-A-R-I-S-S-A! Marissa! I can't wait to see your balloons. Maybe you put your name, maybe you put some pictures, or maybe it's just a wonderful image of some colorful balloons. Let's show Noe. Look at my balloons, Noe. You love them? That's so awesome. Are they just like the ones at your party? Yeah, but with a little more birds. That's awesome. Well, guys, that was it for our first Art Factory of the year. I can't wait for all the things that we'll create in 2021. See you next time.